crafty friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree, and today we're going to learn how to make this 6-petal flower. Now before we jump into the video, if you're new to this channel, be sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications to be alerted when new crafty fun videos come out. I post a new video every single week, would love for you to join me, and without further ado, let's jump right in. To make the paper flower, you're going to need 5 to 6 sheets of square paper. I will be using 6 because I think it makes a fuller, better looking flower, but you can use 5 if you want. So you're just going to take your first sheet over here, and you want to make sure that the color is facing up towards you, and then you're going to take the entire thing and fold it in half diagonally to create a triangle with the white side facing up. And now we're going to unfold. And then take this bottom right side here and align it to the vertical center line that you just created. So we're just going to fold that straight up and crease it in. Now let's repeat the same thing on the left side. So we're going to take this, fold it diagonally just as we did on the right side, and crease that in. Now there are 2 flaps over here. We're going to take our first flap, so the one on the right, or the one on the left if you want to start on the left, and I'm going to bring it out so that it forms a right angle along this vertical crease. So you're going to bring it out, form that right angle, which is right over here. Doesn't have to be exact, and then you're going to crease it in. Now do the same thing on the other side. So you're going to bring it out, form a right angle, and then crease it in. So now we're going to take these 2 flaps over here, I'm going to fold it back. So I'm going to take this and fold it back at an angle so that it creates a little curve right there. And now let's do this over here. We're going to fold it back just like that. So the back should look like this. It has 2 triangles sticking out. And now let's take this white portion over here. We're going to fold it straight up, crease it in, and then fold it straight down again. Now we're to focus on this corner over here. So there is a trapezoid at the top. We're going to take this and we're going to fold it down so that it aligns with that horizontal line here. So crease it in. Do the exact same thing on the other side. So we're going to take this, fold it diagonally, align it to the horizontal, crease it in. So now we have these 2 triangles. Now let's unfold this a little bit, and then also this as well. And we're going to work on the first side. So we're going to take this, the left side here, and align it to the vertical center line. Now it's not going to go all the way, but you just want to push it up as much as you can, just like that. And as you do that, you're going to flatten this triangle here with your opposite hand. So with my left hand, I am flattening that triangle, and you may want to stick your finger in there to help out. And then with my right hand, I'm guiding the paper to align with that vertical line, and then flattening everything. So now let's do the same thing on this side. So you're going to take this, fold it up along that vertical. So with my left hand now, I am folding up and creating that point on the left side here. And then with my right hand, I'm just pushing that triangle, flattening it, and creasing it in. And now let's rotate it a little bit and then take this portion over here that is sharp at the moment, and we're going to round it out. So this portion you can fold as much or as little as you want. I think I'm going to fold it up to here. And now you have 1 petal completed. So now let's put this aside, and we're going to work on the remaining sheets of paper. So we have 5 more, and I'm just going to speed up this video so you don't have to watch, me do everything. So now we have all 6 petals completed. These actually remind me of ginkgo leaves a little bit. But anyway, now that we have them completed, we can assemble it. So we can use 5 petals or 6 petals. I'm going to show you how it looks like with 5. Kind of looks like that. So it is good the way that it is now, but certainly there is room for 1 more, which I'm going to stick right over here, and you can kind of imagine how all of these 6 would fit together. And to assemble the flower, you need a kind of like a circular object. This could be a circular sticker that you just stick at the center, or in this case, I used a sheet of paper and I just cut out a circle, which I thought was the easiest. And I'm going to use some glue dots. So this is the craft glue dots. If you never used glue dots before, I highly recommend them, and I'll leave a link in the video description down below if you're interested in checking them out. But you're gonna take one of these, put it on the glue dot, or put the glue dot on the sheet of paper, peel it off, and then you have some nice adhesive right at the back. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay out how I want the flowers first. So rearrange the petals a little bit, and once you're satisfied with how the flower looks with your finger at the center, you're going to place your little sticky circle sticker thing right in the middle to hold everything together. And the great thing about glue dots is that there is no dry time, so once you stick it on, it is done, and your origami flower is complete. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on how to make a 6-petal origami flower. If you would like to see more crafty fun videos like this one, be sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications to be alerted when new videos come out. Leave your comments below letting me know if you'll be making this origami flower and what you'll be using it for. Maybe for some wall decor or for a greeting card. I don't know. Let me know, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!